Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, and today we're diving into a powerful chapter from our ongoing exploration of Stoicism. Welcome to Day 91, titled, You Are the Result of Your Training. Prepare to unlock some ancient wisdom from Marcus Aurelius that is more relevant today than ever. So let's start with a thought-provoking quote from the wise emperor himself. Chasing the impossible is madness, and it is impossible for the unworthy not to behave in exactly this way. This snippet from Meditations 5:17 sets the stage for our discussion on the importance of disciplined training and self-control. Imagine this scenario. A dog that is allowed to chase cars will continue to chase them. It doesn't know any better because it hasn't been trained otherwise. Now, let's consider a child who is never disciplined. They become spoiled, unaware of boundaries or self-control. And how about an investor without discipline? They're not an investor at all. They're a gambler, susceptible to the whims of chance rather than making informed decisions. The point here is monumental. A mind that does not control itself, that does not understand its abilities of control, is manipulated by external events and impulses. In simpler terms, if you allow your mind to be governed by fleeting desires, societal pressure, or random impulses, you're not in control of your destiny. External events will always steer your ship, leading you to chase the impossible, aim for short-sighted goals, and fixate on the unnecessary. You may not like this truth, but it's one you need to know. Why? Because training and habits must displace ignorance and poor discipline. Only then will you begin to behave and act differently. Only then will you stop striving for the impossible and start focusing on what truly matters. So how can we apply this timeless lesson in our daily lives? First, it's crucial to recognize that real change begins with self-awareness. Take a moment to reflect on your habits. Are they driven by clear, long-term goals, or are they reactions to immediate impulses? Understanding this is the first step to gaining control. Next, practice discipline. Start small. Create routines that aim to build resilience and self-control. For example, limit your social media time to ward off distractions, or commit to reading a chapter of a book each day to nurture your mind. These small actions, repeated consistently, will train your mind in discipline and self-control. Consider how you handle challenges. Do you let setbacks derail you, or do you view them as opportunities to grow? This mindset shift is essential in embracing the Stoic philosophy. Remember, as Marcus Aurelius teaches, it's not about chasing the impossible, but about recognizing what is within your control and focusing your efforts there. And let's not forget the role of habits. They are the bedrock of a disciplined life. By replacing negative habits with positive ones, you'll gradually shift your behavior. It's not an overnight transformation, but a continuous journey of improvement. As the author wisely notes, only then will you begin to act and behave differently, striving for what is meaningful and within your reach rather than the impossible. Finally, open your mind to new perspectives and learning opportunities. The chapter theme, April, Open-minded Thinking, encourages us to embrace broad-mindedness. Stay curious and be willing to listen and learn from others. This openness can provide new avenues for growth and self-improvement. So, there you have it, friends. Day 91's lesson on discipline, training, and self-control is a call to action. Begin by understanding where you need change. Practice small, disciplined habits and continuously open your mind to new ways of thinking and being. This journey won't just transform your actions, but your entire way of living. Remember, every step towards disciplined practice and self-awareness is a step towards a more resilient, balanced, and meaningful life. If you found value in today's discussion, please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Let's learn and grow together. Until next time, remain steadfast on your path to Stoic living and take control of your inner world. This is Alexius Varro, signing off. Stay resilient, stay disciplined, and most importantly, stay Stoic.